Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to replace the battery. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So let's get right into it. So first off, we're going to want to make sure the phone's powered off. Also, remove your SIM card and SD card tray. Let's get that out of the way. And first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to heat up the back cover here. Give it some heat with a hairdryer or a heat gun. Continue to move it around. Never stay in one spot so you don't burn the inside of the phone. Or you can also use a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use. I set it to about 110 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, you're going to want to put on some rubber gloves so that we can hold on to the phone and not get burned. We're going to be using a suction cup, a couple of prying tools, or a business card as a prying tool as well. So once the phone is hot enough, place the suction cup towards the bottom here of the phone where the charging port is at. We're going to give it pressure upwards until we see a slight opening. Once you see that slight opening, we're going to use a plastic prying tool to place it in between the back glass here and the frame of the phone. Once you have it in there, slide it from side to side gently to remove the adhesive holding it down. You can use the help of other prying tools as well. As you can see, I placed a plastic pick as well. And we're going to continue to go around the phone, removing all of the adhesive. Once you have the prying tools in there, you can remove the suction cup. If the phone is no longer hot, you can go ahead and give it some more heat to loosen up the adhesive some more. Like I said, you can use a business card. You could fold it in half to make it more solid. And you can use it as well to pry on the back cover. So do it slowly and gently. Don't rush yourself if your back cover is not cracked, so you don't damage it. So go down both sides completely and towards the top as well. And once you have done all sides, the back cover will begin to lift up gently and you can pull it off completely. Be very careful though, it is going to have the fingerprint scanner connected, so remove the flex cable connector. Get that out of the way and the back cover comes off completely. Next up, we're going to be using the small Phillips head screwdriver to remove all of the small Phillips head screws holding down the back frame. Once all of these screws are removed, we're going to go ahead and wedge under the wireless charger pad here to remove a little bit of adhesive that's holding it down. And we're going to lift up on the plastic back frame here and it will come off completely. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery, get that out of the way to remove any electricity flowing through the phone. And next up, we're going to need to give it some heat here on the LCD screen now this time around so that the adhesive holding down the battery can loosen up. Once it's hot enough, go ahead and place a prying tool under the battery and wedge up under it slowly and gently, and the battery will come out. Remember to give it heat, it will make removing the adhesive on the battery a lot easier. With that out of the way, you have taken out your battery, so it's time to get your new battery and place it back on your Galaxy S9 Plus. Go ahead and connect it and place everything back together in reverse order. And that is it. So that's how you take apart and replace the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, Please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.